In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage projects in a project management tool. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable way to organize work, keep your team aligned, and spot issues before they become problems. First, create a project for each major initiative. Think of a major initiative as anything with a defined goal, a time frame, and meaningful effort behind it, like a product launch, a campaign, or a process rollout. Give the project a clear name that includes the goal or date and add a short description so anyone who opens it immediately understands the purpose and scope. Next, set up sections to bring order to the project. You can organize by phases like discovery, planning, execution, and wrap up, by departments such as design, engineering, and QA, or by workflow stages like to do, in progress, review, and done. Pick one organizing method and stick with it across your projects to reduce confusion and make it easier for people to navigate. Now add tasks and subtasks with owners, due dates, and priorities. Keep tasks specific and action-oriented so it's obvious what success looks like. Use subtasks to break down multi-step work or to capture repeated checklists. Assign a single owner to each task so accountability is clear, and set due dates that reflect the real effort and any dependencies. Choose a simple priority scheme, like high, medium, low, and use it consistently so everyone knows what to tackle first. Use timeline or board view to see how the work is moving. Timeline is perfect for visualizing schedules, overlaps, and dependencies at a glance, helping you adjust dates and sequences before conflicts arise. Board view shines when you need to manage flow, making it easy to drag tasks across stages and spot bottlenecks. Switch between these views to get both a time-based and a process-based perspective. Check progress regularly through comments, statuses, and dashboards. Capture updates and decisions in task comments to keep context in one place. Use status fields to communicate overall health, on track, at risk, or blocked. So risks surface early. Dashboards roll up key indicators like completed tasks, overdue items, and workload, giving you a quick read on momentum. Finally, update deadlines, reassign work, and remove blockers when needed. If a task slips, adjust the schedule and communicate changes right away. Rebalance assignments to match capacity and call out blockers clearly with what's needed to resolve them. When dependencies shift, reflect those changes in the plan so everyone stays aligned. Follow this loop. Projects for initiatives, sections to organize, tasks with owners and dates, visual views to monitor, regular check-ins, and timely adjustments, and your projects will stay clear, predictable, and on track.